And it comes with all the drill bits, the screws, you can see it there, the welding mask that you can use when you do your projects. I've shown different tools and machines for building in my channel, as you know, the prices of what's available here in our hardwares in Cebu City. I think this is the only brand that they carry here. But a lot of the comments that I've seen are saying that it's very expensive. So my subscribers complain of the price. Like me, they are not builders themselves. They only use the machines or tools as they need it once in a while. So I decided to look for cheaper building tools and machines alternative for people like me that don't do building as an everyday thing to do. I only need these items once in a while as I need it. So I searched through Lazada and found some items that I want to show you. And I want to make sure to let you know that this is not sponsored by the brand. I can actually tell you the price I paid, including delivery of each item. Now, I'm wearing gloves all the time when I'm handling tools because of the past experiences of cuts and bruises because of those tools and machine. And also, if you can see me when I'm on my building site, I also wear hard hats, even if I'm not doing the building works, because you never know what's gonna fall on your head. Now going back to the machine, I got this Mitsubishi brand angle grinder. I bought this in Lazada for 930 pesos, including delivery here at my place. Now, this angle grinder, I want to open it and show you what's inside. So what's visible here? Of course, the manual, the wrench, and you know what's not available with famous brands are these two carbon brushes. Carbon brush is the main thing that comes easily gets replaced if you're using the grinder or angle drill and grinder. Often this carbon brush is a must to keep in stock. In fact, I got a few in stock right now because I have used so many angle grinders and drills during the construction of my house, the building of my guest house and my main house. I have gone through more than a dozen angle grinders and drills. Now, one thing I've noticed, I'm expecting that it's gonna be light as a plastic, but in fact, it's a very heavy angle grinder. And you got all the accessories that comes with it. And this one, the protector of the blade, and here is the electric connector. But one thing, it's very sturdy, it's quite heavy. I'm expecting a plastic for the price I paid for, but it seems like to me it's solid metal inside. It's quite heavy than the branded ones that I've been using so far. Another thing I bought from Lazada is the Mitsubishi Chargeable electric drill. So I paid 920 pesos for this set. You can see there's the manual. And it comes with all the drill bits, the screws, you can see it there. All the wrench and this. And for the price of 920 including delivery, it is so, convenient. It works as the real brand. The branded products that we saw, which is like 5 times the price or 6 times the price, but it does the job. Then I could put all the drills that I need for the job here. And this is it comes with two two chargeable batteries. It already got one there. And this is the charger. And all of this for 920 pesos. Another thing that I really want to show you is this one. A portable inverter welding machine. The price for the item is 1,999, but the postage takes up to 2,252 pesos is the whole thing I paid for, including delivery. Again, with the same brand, Mitsubishi. And I will take out what's inside the box. There's your clamps. That's the clamps to weld on. The straps. Another clamp. And the portable machine itself. The best thing about this one is this: you can carry it around, and it comes with it's a 200 amp inverter welding machine. It's got the brush, the accessories that comes with it, the two clamps, this one, and even the mask, the welding mask that you can use when you do your projects. So all of this I paid 2,252 pesos. There. That's the straps. That's the welding mask.